if you want to see what's happening in, or what's planned to happen in the West today, tomorrow, then look at China today, including this story. Chinese scientists create first AI prosecutor that will decide people's fate. Chinese scientists say they've created the first AI prosecutor in the world that can decide whether to charge people with crimes. The researchers claim the technology can decide on charges with more than 97% accuracy based on a verbal description of the case. The machine was built and tested by the Shanghai Pudong People's Protectorate, whatever it's called, China's busiest district prosecution office. So far, it can identify and press charges for Shanghai's 8 most common crimes, including credit card fraud, theft, driving laws, and picking quarrels, an offense often used against dissidents. They now are using artificial intelligence to decide if people get prosecuted or go to jail or not. In 2017, authorities launched the country's first cyber court, which allows parties in digital-related cases such as e-commerce to appear via video chat in front of virtual AI judges. While the idea is to speed up hearings and help the system deal with larger caseloads, real human judges still monitor what happens and make the key rulings. But for how long? Given that the idea is that AI runs everything,